Good, y'all. It's your boy Ellis Chevrolet 254, man. Tuning in for another one. Finna try to see if this stop leak will stop the C10 from leaking, or will it leak out? Let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so welcome back to another one from your boy Ellis Chevrolet 254, man. We got this bars leak high mileage automatic transmission repair. This is me being lazy. This is me doing the consumer, non-mechanically inclined person thing to do and seeing if this will work, because I'm curious. So, worst case scenario, it keeps on leaking. Best case scenario, it don't. It stop leaking. So it says small leaks need to add fluid 1 time per month. Medium leaks 1 time per week. Domestic automatic transmissions, transaxle leak, front pump pin gasket, output shaft noise and whine, shutting clatter, slipping and rough shifting. Instructions say pour entire contents of the 2-chamber bottle into transmission. Do not overfill, depending on transmission problem. Results will either be immediate or noticeable within 2 days or 100 miles of driving. The transmission with seriously damaged components, a second treatment may be required. In this case, it is suggested that the fluid and filter be changed and a second application of automatic transmission repair be added. One bottle treats 8 to 12 quarts. Do not use in CVT. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. It's pretty low, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna put a quart in there. I actually meant to get another one, but I didn't. So my bad on that. Let me go see what I got over here in my vast garage of fluids. Thought I had some down there, but anyway, I work tonight, so no big deal. We'll grab some more, but we'll just start off with what we got here. Alright, so first I'm gonna put in the ATF fluid, and then I'm gonna put in the transmission repair, and then if I find some more fluid, I'll put that on top of it. So just cut you back on. Alright, so let me show you what we got. It is so nice, like out here working in the shade and shit. Once that sun come over the house, it's over. So you look here, let that empty all the way out. Contents are in the transmission. We ain't started this bad boy in a minute, so let's see what it do. See what it do. See the battery dead. See, this one I like to just prime it, because I think when it sits for a longer time, like it'd be harder to start. Or not. Either way, maybe. Okay, what you doing, little bitch? Alright. I wonder if this has to do with me putting that thicker oil in there. I gotta get that sorted out, man. I need that thing fine up like the colors do, man. First start type shit. like it bogged down and need to be tuned. That's what that tell me. Like if it's bogging when I step on it, that means it's not metering the air correctly. Either that or something else going on. Yeah, something ain't right. Alright, so that go reverse, neutral, drive, 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Actually, I don't think it has a 3, 2, 1. I think it's just D. I think it's D21. I don't think it ain't no overdrive 350 trans. I might have to come back and play with the tuning though for real, cause I know it shouldn't be bogging like that. It's okay though. We finna move it over there anyway. And then it's doing that popping thing again, so small, minute issues, but still issues the same. But that's what happened when you jump from one bill to the next bill to the next bill and don't really stop to smell the roses. So exhaust on this one got to get done, and then we can tune that one too. So C10 is back on deck. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna move it over there, and then pull the cutlass right here, and then go from there. So let me do some moving. I had said I was gonna play musical cars like way last week, man, but it had just gotten too hot. So now that we got an early morning jump start. Let's do it. God damn it. That motherfucker dead in the bitch. Maybe I don't need to move this motherfucker. I mean, I can run the extension cord out to it, but that's another thing I gotta figure out. Well, I know I didn't charge the battery all the way back up on that one, so that's more than likely a big part of the reason. The last time I went to start it and it didn't start, and then I let it sit. that kind of, and now that I think about it on the C10, man, I mean, it might just be that fucking it needs some gas. Honestly, because I mean, we crank it up, we let it run, and that's about it. So, all right, let's try this again. I'm gonna let it idle a little bit, and then go from there. Okay. Before we pull our C10 up here, man, I had to put some air in the tire. Damn Ram got 65, almost 65,000 miles on them, boy. I put them all on there, man. But the crazy thing is, I ain't even really been nowhere. I ain't even been out of the state of Texas. It's a 2017. It's 2022. Probably gonna be 23. But I guess that's what happens when you have extra vehicles you could drive. Alright, so got everything moved around, air in the rim, cutlets moved over here, and now this one's sitting right here. I need to wash it. I'm telling you, man, goddamn like it. I ain't gonna say neglected, but mistreated. It ain't being neglected, but it's, I don't know, just haven't got all the attention maybe that it deserves, wants, you know, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, but I got it parked right there, so I can still get the bike out. Yeah, probably could come up a little bit more, but that's good. That's good. So it's actually probably a couple things that concern me. Just about the whole setup. Those fans, I don't know that they're adequately cooling the setup. So I may have to look into getting like the stock fans. I should have damn asked Cortez about, because I know Cortez had some before he left. So, but well, yeah, when I originally got this radiator or whatever, I pulled it from Junkyard. I knew it was off a truck, something similar or whatever. But way back then, I ain't working the parts store. Now I am thug life at the parts store. I can find anything. So I'm gonna find the original OG fans, and then possibly look at putting those on there opposed to these, which don't cover, because like, see, all that's covered, but then like that amount, which is the top amount, which is the top or whatever, before it goes back into the engine is, yeah. At least I think that's the way it flows. But don't take my word for it. Do your research, always. So yeah. So tonight when I go to work, I'm looking at what? We're looking at fans, and we're looking at transmission fluid, so we can put some in there so we can see if it's gonna leak or what it's gonna do. I don't know. What y'all think? That's not that leak. That's from some fluid that I spilled when I was filling up the colors. So yeah, man, y'all let me know. Y'all think the stop leak gonna work or no? And I'll bring y'all back in 3 days, a week, for the follow-up, tell you the results. So the thing that's most confusing is this truck sits longer undriven than the Cutlass does, but the Cutlass be dying and this don't. So that must got some kind of parasitic draw on it, and I'm gonna have to find it. But yeah, man, like I said, let me know if you think it's gonna work. If it's not, let me know in the comments below. It's your boy Ellis, 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses. Make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.